In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do playback on Ninjatrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download market replay data, switch into playback mode, and view that data on a chart or DOM, all in a clean, controlled workflow. Playback is great for practicing execution, reviewing price action, and testing ideas using historical, tick-by-tick data that behaves like a live market. Start in the Control Center. Go to Tools, then Historical Data, and choose Load. In that window, expand the section labeled Get Market Replay Data. Here, pick the instrument and the specific date you want to study, then download the replay file. Give it a moment if you're pulling a full session or a very active symbol. These files can be large. Also make sure you choose the correct contract for futures so what you replay matches the date you're interested in. Next, close all live connections so you're not mixing real-time data with replay. Disconnecting live feeds ensures everything you see and any actions you take are tied only to the recorded data. Think of this as switching from a live broadcast to a recording. You want to make sure you're only listening to the playback. Now, in the Control Center, click Connections and select Playback Connection. Ninjatrader will open the playback panel. This is your control deck. Use the play button to start or pause the replay stream. The timeline slider lets you jump directly to the time you want to review, which is perfect for skipping to the open, key news times, or specific trade setups. Adjust the speed settings to slow things down for careful study, or speed them up when you're scanning through quieter periods. Finally, set the start and end dates, so the panel knows exactly what range to replay. This keeps your timeline focused on the dates you downloaded. To see the replay in action, open a chart or a DOM for your chosen instrument. Go to Control Center, then New, then Chart. Select the exact instrument and contract you downloaded replay data for. Once the chart opens, hit play on the playback panel. You should see bars and prices progress as if they were unfolding in real time. If you don't see movement, double-check that the instrument and contract match, confirm your playback time falls within the visible chart range, and nudge the slider into active trading hours. That's the complete workflow. Download the market replay data, disconnect live feeds, connect to playback, control the timeline and speed, and view it on a matching chart or DOM. Happy practicing and thoughtful reviewing.